In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your clothing color in CapCut. Open CapCut on the web or in the app and head into a fresh project. From the home screen, start by creating something new. When the canvas options appear, choose the 16:9 format. This widescreen layout is perfect for most platforms, and it gives you a comfortable frame to work in. Import your video and place it on the timeline. Give it a quick play to find the section you want to use, and make sure your clip is selected so the editing tools apply to it. Next, open Smart Tools. This is where CapCut groups its more advanced features. Choose Remove Background and let the software process your clip. It will isolate you from the environment, which sets us up for a clean color change without the original background interfering. If the edges look a little soft, that's normal. Lighting and contrast in your footage affect how well the cutout works. With the subject separated, turn on Chroma key. Activate the color picker and click directly on the clothing you want to change. For best results, zoom in and sample an area of fabric that's evenly lit. Avoid bright highlights or deep shadows if you can. After you pick the color, use the strength or similarity controls to dial it in, so the key targets just the clothes. If you notice parts of your skin or hair disappearing, ease off the intensity until they come back while the fabric remains selected. Now switch to background. Choose a solid color from the palette or use the color picker to find a shade you like. Here's the trick. Because the original background was removed, the background color layer sits behind you, and since your clothing color has been keyed out, that new background color shows through only in the clothing area. It'll look like you changed the shirt or jacket to whatever color you picked. Scrub through the clip to check movement. If the color flickers on folds or shadows, try resampling a more representative spot on the fabric and nudge the key strength slightly. Small adjustments go a long way. Aim for clean edges with minimal spill onto skin or accessories. When everything looks right, preview the entire clip to confirm consistency from start to finish. That's it. You've changed your clothing color in CapCut using Remove Background, Chroma key, and a solid background color. Try a few different shades to see what fits your style, and keep lighting in mind next time you film to make the effect even cleaner.